Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh.
Hi, it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Life, and we're so excited today. We're taking you all along with us to the Great Yorkshire Vegan Festival. It's going to be absolutely incredible, and we'll go with our friends too, won't we, Mum?
We are, we're going with our friends. It's going to be an amazing day.
It really is. Can't wait to find out what vegan products will be there.
And of course, I think you're really looking forward to going to be trying some as well, aren't you?
Definitely. Always looking forward to the food stands. Wow. It's going to be great. Well, so we'll take you all along with us too. See you when we get there.
It's all around us. Christmas has found us. Yet another year.
It's going to be a cold one.
It really is going to be a cold one. 0 degrees.
Lucky it's inside.
Morning, framed by golden sunlight. A morning, close friends travel together. Never wanting this to end, singing in the car and then our destination's here. Never wanting this to end, everything in perfect plan. Now let's ride. High expectations, great winds are blowing when we go out to catch the waves, to catch the waves. Let it carry you, carry you. Let it carry you, carry you. A story we will remember forever. Oh, the glory, salty season, a magical breeze. Never wanting this to end, singing in the car and then.
Imagine a world where we all belong, where no one's left out, dressed in our finest, walking the walk. Ooh, imagine what we could do. Happy days be our guests, happy days manifest. Let's stand together, put a smile on our faces, fill us up with your grace and make us better. Dress us for all weather.
We're now at Consider It Chocolate. Oh my gosh, everything sounds so delicious. We're now at Tyne Cheese. Oh my gosh, all of the cheese flavours sound amazing. If you haven't seen the video from when we tried 3 of their cheeses, we'll link it up there. He's a black scorpion. I can definitely tell why it's got black scorpion name now. It's a bit spicy, that one. Here's a parmesan. It's
that good?
Even nutty.
Oh, thank you.
No nutty.
Oh, that is lovely, that.
Not too salty.
No.
Just right amount of salt.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh, the vegan infinity cheesecakes, truffles and cake pots. They all sound so delicious, with some of the recipes being from Ukraine too. Here the reds. Oh, very sticky. The barbecue flavour is so delicious, isn't it, Mum?
Wow.
It's lovely to taste that too, isn't it?
Amazing.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents.
It's a rocky wrap, the kebab. Oh, that looks delicious. Smells delicious too. Definitely spicy and super delicious. It's nice to have a little picnic on the floor this time. We're having some kebabs, some chips and mushy peas. I've also got some fresh pictures too. Which are really good too. Really refreshing and fruity. Oh, they look so good. They're delicious.
Enjoy them and you're going to get some more from them in it.
Definitely.
Put your faith in me, so keep on going. We got good things coming our way.
It's a mixed vegetable samosa.
Isn't that tasty?
It is.
Did you get the potato in there? Lovely, isn't it?
That's some spicy as well. Oh my gosh, the Great Yorkshire Vegan Festival was absolutely incredible, wasn't it,
It
Mum?
really was. So many amazing vegan stores there as well.
There really were, and so many amazing products that we've come away with too.
Can't wait to try them all.
Neither can I. The black scorpion thyme cheese.
That was so amazing.
It really was. Oh, it was so spicy.
But the spice stayed there, but a lovely taste.
It really was so lovely.
I'm glad I got one of them in the fridge.
Me too.
Oh, the Parmesan cheese.
Wow, that was so good, wasn't it, Mum?
It was absolutely incredible. It's so delicious.
Nice and nutty too, but not too nutty. It's brilliant. And I really can't wait to enjoy that with arrabbiata sauce, Mum.
I'll probably be making that today or tomorrow.
Brilliant. And the creamy cheeses too.
Can't wait to try them.
Well, thank you so much to Vegan Infinity for all of your incredible cheesecakes that you gave us to try. And the truffles too.
Absolutely amazing.
You really enjoyed trying them. I can't wait to feature them in a future video. Can you, Mum?
They were absolutely delicious. Looking forward to putting that one up very soon.
Me too. I'm really excited to share with you all now that I'm a brand ambassador for Tyne Cheese. Can you believe it,
I
Mum?
really can't believe it. It's so amazing.
I'm so happy that they gave me the hat too.
It's so kind of them. It's so lovely of them to ask you to be a brand ambassador. And you will be featuring a video soon, won't you, with some more of their products.
Really can't wait. And thank you so much to Lindsay too for getting us the selection box.
Oh, that was so kind of Lindsay. But you can't wait to try all of the amazing Tyne cheeses in that selection box.
I really can't wait. It was so lovely to meet Danny and Victoria from the Tyne Cheese stall. Thank you so much for everything. Oh my gosh, it was so lovely to meet Tracy too.
Oh, it was lovely when Tracy came up to me and asked me, was I your mum? And then to get that picture of us with Tracy.
That's sharing out with you all.
I think that's a great idea.
We filmed so much at the festival. We've got another video coming up really soon.
We do. There were so many vegan stalls there that we thought we'd put it into 2 different videos, didn't we?
We did. So we can't wait to share that with you all too in a couple of days. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you've tried any of the products that we featured in today's video.
I think that's a great question.
If you have, which ones have you tried? If you haven't, which ones would you like to try? We really can't wait to see you all here again for part 2. Bye! Take care! And bye! From Sarah too!